3 ways to make money right here on TikTok. Number 1, by going live. Every user on TikTok has the ability to purchase coins, which they then can donate to their favorite creators when they go live. These coins turn into cash. You can encourage more coins by getting creative by offering the top gifter something like a shout out, a follow, or a free consultation. Number 2, join the Creator Fund. This is a way to get paid every single day for the content that you produce on TikTok, depending on your video's performance. A lot of people complain about the Creator Fund, but I'm part of it and I absolutely love it. Number 3, sponsored videos. Partner with brands to create content for them right here on TikTok and get paid for it. You can reach out to brands yourself, and you can also join the TikTok Creator Marketplace.
First step to do is encourage fans to donate. TikTok members can purchase coins, which they then freely redistribute to the content creators they prefer. The price of parts varies from country to country and may also vary over time, as the platform does not communicate clearly about this. Still, you can use this method in order to increase your income. 2, earn money by partnering with brands. If you want to transform your activity on social networks into a real business, you have every interest in getting closer to brands. They are sometimes ready to pay a very high price to see their products in the hands of influencers, followed by the greatest number. Once you have reached a certain number of followers, you can start looking for paid partnerships. Naturally, the larger your community, the more weight you will have with companies, and the more you will be able to receive significant compensation for each partnership signed. Be careful to choose your partnerships, especially for ethical reasons. Indeed, if you support too many brands that do not directly relate to the interests of your community, you clearly risk losing credibility. 3, sell your own products through TikTok. TikTok can make you money indirectly, helping to grow your business and grow your business bottom line. So you can use this social network to give yourself more chances to sell your products and your services. For example, some sell all kinds of products that they import from China through dropshipping. They use TikTok to show the items and create the urge to order them, while taking care to give users all the information to buy the products and generate interest. You can also use your TikTok profile to promote digital products, ebooks that you have written yourself, consulting services that you offer to your customers, training courses, etc. But how to earn TikTok followers? 1, take part in challenges. Keeping up with the latest social media trends is important because it allows you to see what types of hot content are at a specific time. The challenges often involve singing and dancing to popular music, which is perfectly linked to the uses for which the platform has become known, namely lip syncing. A simple way to identify current challenges is to watch the different videos in the For You section and analyze the captions for them. 2, the potential of hashtags. Similar to Twitter and Instagram, TikTok allows users to add hashtags to reference their videos in themed post feeds. However, unlike Instagram, the number of hashtags you can add is extremely limited because your caption along with the hashtags must be a maximum of 140 characters. It is therefore essential to choose them well. 3, make collaborations with other TikTokers. In the same way as on YouTube, where content producers will help each other to make videos broadcast on their respective channels, it is perfectly possible to ask users with more or less the same size of community as you to practice the visibility exchange.
Number 1, growing accounts and selling them. The first way people are making money from TikTok is growing accounts and then selling them. This is becoming more and more popular in the e-commerce or product space. Similar to Instagram, you're going to choose a niche and then go ahead and create entertaining content, ideally content that goes viral to attract that person who would be the ideal customer for your product. There are already people in this space today who are growing TikTok profiles around a certain interest. Usually it's a niche topic and they might not have anything to sell, but they're going to reach out to brands in that industry and sell their TikTok profile to them, and people are legit making money this way. Number 2, donations. The second way people are making money from TikTok is going live and collecting donations from viewers, just like you can do on other platforms, like Twitch. I find this feature of TikTok fascinating. It's really a built-in monetization platform, literally from day one. From what I've seen, here's how it works. When you're a TikTok user, you can go into your profile and purchase something called coins. For 100 coins it will cost you $1.39. Now what do you do with these coins? When one of your favorite creators is going live, you can actually send them coins as a way of giving thanks for all of their effort in creating the content they do. What does the creator do with this coin? The creator turns the coins into diamonds, and those diamonds can be converted into cash via PayPal. Number 3, manage influencer campaigns. The third way to make money from TikTok is to manage influencer campaigns. This isn't a new idea. There are straight up influencer agencies to serve Instagram influencers already. The same concept applies to TikTok. You can be the middleman or the broker between a creator on TikTok and a brand who wants to work with that influencer. From creating the agreement, managing both parties, making sure the deliverables are all met, just being a coordinator, you can charge a service fee to manage campaigns like that. Number 4, TikTok Ads Platform. The fourth way you can make money from TikTok is by using their ads platform. Just like Facebook and Instagram ads, you can Google right now, TikTok ads, and sign up for access to their ads platform. It is pretty self-explanatory if you've ever run paid traffic before, so if your market's on TikTok, it might be worth you creating a few ads, putting some budget toward experimenting there and seeing what happens. Number 5, management services. The fifth way you can make money from TikTok is by offering management services for creators on the app. Some creators on TikTok have millions of followers, and sometimes this happens really fast and overnight for that creator. It's like having a business land in their lap. You could step in and offer services to help them with their content strategy, their creative strategy, maybe managing offers and deals that come their way. Number 6, consulting. Last but not least, once you become a pro on TikTok, and maybe you really understand how someone could take a video that maybe gets 100 views and help them get 100,000 views, well, you can simply offer consulting services. This is a really great way to leverage your expertise from the platform and help people who want to be TikTok famous, or they want to be creators, actually boost their strategy so their videos get seen by hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people.